Here are example photos before and after using this preset. You can download this preset for free via the link in the description. But before that, the file is protected by a password. Preset downloading will start after entering the password. The password will be shown on the iCard. The password consists of 4-digit numbers and will appear separately like this. So, let's start editing. First, go to Lights. Exposure down -1.12. Contrast 3:4. Highlights -100. Shadows 62. Whites -85. Black -41. Next, go to Colors White Balance. Temperature 1:4. Tint -8. Vibrance 3. Saturation 5. Now go to color grading. Shadows hue to 147. Saturation 10. Balance 10. Click Done. Click to color mix. Red hue -6. Saturation -62. Luminance to 2. Orange hue -24. Saturation -60. Luminance 30. Yellow hue 18. Saturation 88 Q888 8181. Luminance -2. Green hue -82. Saturation -24. Luminance 3. Aqua hue for 4. Saturation -78. Luminance -37. Blue hue -43. Saturation -61. Luminance 3. Purple hue -56. Saturation -72. Luminance -3. Magenta hue 14. Saturation -78. Luminance -11. Click Done. Then go to Effects. Texture 18. Clarity -53. Dehaze -20. Grain 25. Size for 5. Roughness 60. Now go to Details. Noise Reduction 20. Color Noise Reduction 30. Now getting final retouching. Go to the Curve Tools and follow the steps. Copy and paste the curve yourself.
Do like and subscribe for more interesting presets.
Click Done. Editing is done. Now check, copy and paste this preset. Now adjust yourself. Thanks for watching.
Royal Edits L are free premium Lightroom presets.